Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn points, lines, and planes together, step by step. Every shape you'll ever study starts with three ideas. A point is just a location with no size, named with a capital letter like A. A line is perfectly straight and goes on forever in both directions. A plane is a flat surface that stretches out endlessly. We don't define these. We build everything else from them. Two special pieces come from a line. A segment, written AB with a bar, has two endpoints and a fixed length. A ray starts at one point and goes forever through another. Order matters, so ray AB begins at A, and points that all sit on the same line are called collinear. Watch how I name each one carefully. Suppose 4 points P, Q, R, and S all lie on one line. How many segments do they make? Each segment needs two endpoints, so we count pairs. 4 times 3 divided by 2 equals 6. Listing them confirms it PQ, PR, PS, QR, QS, and RS. 6 segments from just 4 collinear points. Here points A, B, and C are collinear, with B between A and C. We're told AB is 7 units, and BC is 5 units. Because B sits right between them, the whole segment AC is just the two pieces added together. So AC equals 7 plus 5, which is 12 units. This is the segment addition idea. Let's lock it in. A point marks a place, a line runs forever, and a plane is a flat, endless surface. A segment has 2 stopping points, while a ray keeps going. And when a point lies between 2 others, you simply add the pieces. Master these names now. Every geometry proof you write will lean on them. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.